What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make anywhere between $15 and $20 every 15 minutes. I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you the proof on how this is going to work. And I promise you guys are going to love this method to make some easy money online, literally copying and pasting links. All right. Before we get started, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I also do a ton of videos like this where you can make PayPal money, copy and paste methods. So you're going to love this video. Let's go and get started. All right. So the website we're going to be using is mini URL, okay? And basically it's a website shortener, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use this website. We're going to add our links in here. We're going to shorten them, and we're going to get a ton of views to these links. I'm going to show you how to get the views pretty much guaranteed, and we're going to get paid, okay? And the way you get paid, let me just show you real quick. So here it is. You're going to want to create an account. You need an account for this because that's how, you want to put your PayPal email in here. And then once you put your PayPal email, they'll go ahead and pay you out. Now, the cool thing about this website is, once you create your account, you shorten your link, you get money. It's 1, 2, 3, super easy. But let me show you something really cool. It's a low minimum payout. So like you don't need like $100 before they pay you out. They'll literally pay you with $5, so you can like literally take out your money the first day. Okay, so that's a cool thing here. And then you also get a referral bonus if you get people to sign up under you. But anyways, that's not what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be literally just getting views to our link. Okay, so let me just show you how much you can make here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is so about $2.20 in the United States per 1,000 views. Okay, and I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of views, but I'm going to show you how to take advantage of a trending topic on YouTube. Okay, so we're going to go to YouTube, and let's see here. So we're going to go to the trending tab, and we're going to type in review. Okay, so I already have this up. So you go to you type in review, and we're going to go to trending. The reason why we're doing review is because review topics are one of the most popular topics. People are always looking to buy iPhones and in video games and movies and all kinds of stuff. So reviews are very, very powerful. So this one, I just kind of looked it up before I made the video. This is an iPhone 11 review. Look at this, guys. It's got 3.5 million views in the last month. Typically you want to find something, sometimes there's reviews within like the first day, but this one's still getting a ton of views. So you can use this video. Let's see here. A week ago, so 4 weeks. So you want to get something that is, within a month. If you can find something like that day that's trending, that's going to be even better. Something that can potentially get at least 1 million views within the first few days. Okay, and I'm going to show you why 1 million views. I'll show you right now, actually. So let's just say, we're trending things that have 1 million views, right? So 1 million views. Let's just say we're going to copy our link in there, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Don't worry. So we're going to copy our link in there. Let's just say 1% of those people, okay, see your link, okay? 1% of that is 10,000 views, and then remember you get $2. You get $2.20 per 1,000 views. So we divide that into 10 and times that by 2.2. Oops. So it's going to be 10. So let's see, 2.2 times 10. $22. So $22, and that's just one video. I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? And this is going to be super easy, guys. This is literally just one video. You can do this as many times as you want. Okay, so let's just say we're going to use this iPhone 11 review, okay? So this is the video we're going to be commenting on because it's getting millions and millions of views right now. So 3.5 million views, guys, and it's trending right now. Obviously, iPhone 11 at the moment is trending, so we're going to use this. Okay, so I clicked this video, and what we're going to do is we're going to comment in the comments below. Okay. Let's see here. Let me get rid of this ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, and we're going to just type in iPhone 11 review, and we're just going to find a review video or a review article, whatever you want to do. It doesn't really matter, honestly. So let's just say we use this one, and we're going to copy this link, and we're going to paste this in the trending video. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go back to mini URL because remember, mini URL is kind of like the it's the middleman. So once you send them this link, it's going to shorten it. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so here's the review link, the one we found on Google. I'm going to shorten this link. Okay. Why did I get an error here? Let me redo this here. So miniurl.io is the website. Not sure why I did that. Let's see here. So get rid of that. Here we go. Okay, so now here's the website, guys. This is the shortened URL from this link here. Okay, this is the iPhone 11 review. So it's the same link, it's just shortened, and this is the link we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to copy this, and let me just show you what it does real quick. So if you were to click that link, basically it would come to this website first before it would go to the review. Okay, so the reason why is because they're making money with advertisements, right? So if people were to click on this, they get paid, and that's how they're making their money. And by you getting people to this link, now they're gonna pay you. Okay, so basically, to go to the review, you would click I'm not a robot, click to continue. Now the cool thing is if people get out of this, they're still paying you just to view this website. Okay, so they don't even have to click. As long as they're coming here, that's fine. If they're like, oh, this is weird, I'm gonna leave, that's fine. You're still getting paid. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy that link, and we're going to go to the iPhone review video, and we're going to go ahead and comment on here. Okay, so we're going to go here, and then we're just going to simply comment on this video. Let me see here. Oops.
More than a blogger, an influencer. With the help of Bluehost's powerful tools and expert advice, don't just make a website.
Okay, here we go. All right, so we're gonna add a public comment in here. So we're gonna put amazing review, but check amazing review. Let's see, let me get out of all this stuff. But check out this shocking, so kind of make it a little clickbaity. Amazing review, but check out this shocking review on the iPhone 11. You won't believe this. Okay, and we're going to add our link in here. And basically, guys, there are thousands and thousands, millions of people looking at the comments. Okay, so like I said, so in this case, you have about 3 million views, and it's still trending up. So I mean, the numbers are like crazy. So 3 million, 3 million times, let's just say 0.5% of people. So not even 1%, guys. 0.5% of people look at that. That's 150,000 views. So you can see that potential's there, guys. You're gonna make a lot of money. I mean, with this, you're gonna be making about $100 each video, each link you do. Now you're gonna want to find trending topics and then other articles and then link them to it. Okay, so I already put mine in there. I'm gonna start getting views to this. I can go to my mini URL. I can start tracking how many views, how many people have clicked on that, all that good stuff. Okay, this is all tracked in mini URL. You can start seeing how much you get paid. Okay, so this is a great way to make money, guys. Now here's the thing, you're still trading time for money. You're still you're copying links, you're finding videos. It's a lot of work. Okay, now if you don't have any money to start, if this is like you have absolutely no money, this is a great way to get started, because you don't have no money, you have nothing to invest in. You want to start building that income, and this is a great way to do it. But if you do have some money to invest, guys, this is not the best way to do it. The best way to do it is create a passive income. Okay, and that's what I teach on this channel. I teach you how to make money passively. I teach you how to make money while you're sleeping and while you're traveling and while you're hanging out with your family. So that is what I teach, guys, because I think that everyone should be able to make a passive income, especially with the internet now. So what I recommend is affiliate marketing. That's what I do. That's how I make my money. And like I said, it's totally passive. Once you set up the system, you get paid while you're sleeping, traveling. Guys, it's amazing. It's an amazing system. Now I have two options for you if you want to learn affiliate marketing. Okay, first of all, I have this free course. I just came out with this. This is 100% free for you guys. And it shows you how to start affiliate marketing from beginning to end. Yeah, I got step 1, step 2, step 3, and it shows you how to create an affiliate marketing business that pays you passively for years and years to come. Okay, that's one option for you. Now, if you do want to accelerate the process, if you want to just start making passive income right away, I have the first link in the description below, and that's my #1 recommendation on how to start making money online. That is that it's a little bit of money to start up. I think it's like $10 or $7 actually, and it'll teach you how to start affiliate marketing. It's a step-by-step course as well. Now, if you don't have the $10, the $7, one or two things, you can start making money with this mini URL, or you can start with my free course, and both links are in the description below. My #1 recommendation and my free course. Okay, guys? So hopefully that helps. Hopefully this video was of value, guys. I would really appreciate that you would comment on this video, like it, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow on YouTube. It helps me create more videos like this. And guys, I'm coming out with a ton of videos on how to make money online. With affiliate marketing, with PayPal money. There's so many ways. I'm going to be bringing those to you because I want to help you guys, create that passive income, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.